before coming here, of course, yung American dream like we always envision is yung makabili ka ng bahay, madami kang pera, syempre, tapos yung may sasakyan ka, yung ganon na isip. Of course, when I came here, nakatrabaho na ako dito, I saw ano ba yung buhay dito, parang hindi na siya yung nai-envision ko na American dream. It's more of really stability. Stability in the sense that I have a job that I like, that will pay yung sa needs ko, and so yung mga wants ko, travel. Dito kasi sa America, because we're earning dollars.
Nagbago yung idea mo.
Nagbago siya. It's more of we have the ability na to travel anywhere around the world.
Like you can afford it na talaga.
Yes. Kasi nung sa Pilipinas, you can afford. Pero syempre, palagi pa rin tayong convert.
Yeah.
Dito kasi, alam natin yung US. Yung US dollars, mataas yung yung conversion.
And when you get back, you will always have a job.
Correct, yun. And yung uuwi ka ng Pilipinas, alam mong you can afford to treat your family. Alam mo yung ganon. So, yeah.
Hindi ka na magbibilang.
Yes, na magbibilang. Parang, ay, magkano lang? Ay, okay lang yan. Parang $1, parang $10 lang. Or
Iba na yung conversion mo sa mind.
Yes, yun lang. Yun yung nabago sa akin.
That's good. For you, ngayon, na-achieve mo ba yung, now that you have that kind of American dream sa mind mo?
I believe na-achieve ko yung bago kong idea of American dream because I get to travel. Na sa Europe, within US, pati pa Pilipinas, I can...
Hindi yung dating inisip mo na, ay, pagpunta mo dito, mayaman ka na talaga.
Oo, syempre.
Yamas ka na mo, dalawa na ba?
Yes. Tapos I can help my family if they need. Although, I'm not saying na maraming pera. Of course not. Pero, yung bang makakatulong ka somehow. Yun.
But you can help na.
Yeah, na-realize ko na yung nakikita pala natin sa social media, it's not all true. Yung bang nakikita mo yung friends mo, kasi dati I see my friends na nasa America sila or nasa Europe sila, ang dami nilang pera, ang ganda nila.
Kasi kayang-kaya nilang pumunta doon.
Correct. Pero yung akala ko, yung buhay dito, parang maging mayaman ka agad. Pero it's not the case. Yes, kasi you earn dollars. At the same time,
But you still have to work.
Yes, you have to work and spend dollars. So parang equal lang, parang even lang din siya somehow. Especially for me, I don't work. Wala akong second job. Ever since. Wala kaming OT.
Pero at least may bonuses kayo.